In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Canva. This skill is particularly useful when you're putting together documents like ebooks, presentations, or any multi-page project where keeping track of the order is essential. So let's dive right in. To start off, open Canva and navigate to your design. Whether it's a report or a photo album, having your pages nicely numbered will help your audience follow along. The first step we'll take is to click on the text option. You'll find this on the left hand side of your screen. Adding text to your pages in Canva is like using a virtual toolkit that allows you to layer and enhance your work creatively. Once you've clicked on text, your next move is to select Add a Text box. It's as simple as that. This feature allows you to insert text anywhere on your design, which we're going to use to insert our page numbers. Adding a text box gives you the freedom to place your number just the way you want. After you've added the text box, the next step is crucial for proper alignment and aesthetic. Click on the text box you just created and resize it to suit your design. A smaller text box is often preferable for a page number to avoid cluttering your design. Now it's time to type your page number inside the text box. It might be helpful to choose a font and size that complement the rest of your document so that the page numbers enhance rather than distract from your overall layout. Click inside the resized text box and simply type the number of the page you're working on. Keep in mind, if you have multiple pages, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. This may seem a bit tedious at first, but it guarantees that each page number is consistent and in the perfect spot location-wise. Also, don't forget that you can play around with the position of your text box to ensure it's perfectly aligned. Whether you want it in a corner, centered at the bottom, or even creatively in the page design, you have full control. And that's it. Once you're satisfied with the placement of your page numbers, you can preview your work to ensure it looks just how you envisioned it. Adding page numbers not only helps in organizing your document, but also adds a professional touch that can make a significant difference in how your work is perceived. Take a moment to admire your efforts, and remember, the more you practice these steps, the quicker and more efficiently you'll be able to add page numbers to any future projects you undertake. Thanks for watching.